Hello, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill in my studio with a pan of colors. Well, not yet, but a pan. This is the Chantilly lace, and I've added some distilled water to it to thin it down so I can pour my other colors into it on top of it. So many bubbles in there right now after just shaking it. I kind of feel like a quick hit. Maybe another one. I'll just deal with it as time goes on. I'm going to start with some Mayan gold. I want this to be dominantly yellow because I just did a shovel dribble pour, transfer pour, whatever you want to call. This is the sour lemon. And I'm going to try not to overlap my paints too much. I'm going to actually make a little painting in the dish, hopefully. I'm going to throw a little bit of my custom mix of Big Apple and, go back on, and Orange Crush, which I may want to go back and add some more to. Now I want this sour lemon with some Orange Crush in it. I'll be really surprised if I can do this without crossing over. I am using two different mixtures. One has the vivid enamel in it that can be used for blooms, and I did make a mixing video for that. And as long as it's not completely dorky, I made another video for the vivid poly pour. I just used the Orange Crush, didn't I? Did I? Maybe I didn't. No, I didn't. I'm like, I don't see it there. So much for yellows, huh? Here comes my Tuscan Sun, which is a beautiful, beautiful golden yellow. More golden yellow, or depends on the circumstances you see it in. Yeah, I'm crossing over. I don't use this golden poppy often enough, and I really like it. It's very dramatic. Dramatic enough to do this too. Let's just do that. I'm thinking I want a little bit of French silk. For sparkle and whatever. I've got some silver, true silver. Not sure why I wanted to add that, but I do like yellow and gray together, so maybe that's why. I'm probably going to be adding all the rest of my colors, but I'm wondering how I'm going to manage to get them in there without overdosing the yellow. I'm not sure that's even possible. I have a mix of Tuscan Sun and Chantilly lace. Chantilly lace is what I started with. I just wanted a paler version of the Tuscan Sun. I was thinking about putting poinsettia in here, but I think I will give it a miss and go back to my original plan, which was some of the pink carnation. Also, I'm going to take a chance and put some midnight shadow in because I want some areas that are dramatic. I'm hoping that's not bad. I mean, if I'm not feeling confident about scooping these out, I'm going to keep adding colors until I get something I like. And I'm thinking the blue bonnet. Yeah, I thought I was going to like that. A little more. I know this is the lion's share of the time. I've got some black raspberry. hopefully this doesn't bomb, because that yellow is looking very yellow. And it's not always my favorite color, but I like it in combination with other things. I thought I would like it with some gold. I still haven't given up. I'm going to, where's my pink? I'm going to use some of the Hot Orchid, which usually fixes everything for me, which is now called Jasmine in a Primary Elements. It's no longer available as a Prizm pour. There is a 20% off coupon code for Colour Arte products underneath the video. This is Frosted Berry. I need a color. How about the Pink Diamond? Remove the tabs on everything else. I'm thinking purple. So much for the yellow. Goodbye, yellow. Let's do a little bit of the African violet here and there. Bring in some blue velvet. Now it's getting somewhere finally. I've got Water Dragon, which is very turquoise and totally gorgeous and looks like exactly what this needed. Oh yeah, totally. Loving the Water Dragon. I also have my Frozen I lost my cap. And the last but not least, I believe, is going to be Cerulean Blue. Yeah, that's gorgeous. And that may be all the time I have. So very quickly, I'm going to attempt to show you these plastic covers that come off packaging also make good scoops. So I'm going to choose even though that didn't go straight across. And I'm going to trim off some of the edge. So when I pick up my paint, I can scoop it out. This is instead of, or my first attempt, instead of a shovel. I've got a 12 by 24 inch canvas. It's not completely dry, but it's going to have to. I'm going to throw a little bit more of Mayan gold right over the top of everything here. And if I don't like how the small scoop works, I'll use the larger scoop. If you just wait while the edge of this rests, you get a whole bunch of really cool stuff. And I could dip that. Every time I think I'm going to tilt, and I don't wind up doing that. Well, so far, it just makes me want to fill everything. It looks like strange undersea creatures. Everything I do usually winds up looking like dancers or music. But I'm really thinking that I like this enough to wish maybe I was using a smaller. I like the random marks because they lead the eye to believe something mysterious is happening. Yeah. I think I'm going for the whole canvas. Usually I just stay in the center section, but I have so much paint. that it might be time to take advantage of that and just go for it. And hope the Prizm pour colors will work well with my design, whatever I happen to. Because I'm thinking I just want to keep dipping. Wherever I have a mark I don't care for. Now you don't have to use all one size tool, that's for sure. Let me see if I can dredge up another small tool. Whatever I did with them. There we go. These are Sharpie containers cut down, just like I showed you. And they make loop-de-loops easier. And I think I want some more loop-de-loops. I've got plenty of Chantilly lace showing in the bottom of my container. I'm going to be popping bubbles for a while with a sharp stick though, because the torch didn't work that well. It's going to be different. Different is good. I hope. It's a very unusual pour. And maybe it needs a few dots. But then that's what I always think. I'm thinking something over here. Many layers. I'm not even sure how much time I have left. I've got like 2 minutes, so I should tell you stuff. Like I have over 2,400 videos on Expressionist Studio Priscilla Batzell, and if you want to check them out, you should go to the channel and go to playlists, all playlists, created playlists. I think the Prizm pours are what's going to save this, because it's got beautiful colors. And it's just beginning to form an idea in my head of what it might be. Remind me of, it's like flags at a fair or something. It'll come to me. I sometimes do shovel pours, scoop pours, where I fill up the entire canvas, and that's what this seems to be turning into more and more. So why be shy? I'll just go for it. because I can't think of a single reason why not. So this is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida, in my studio, saying, I'm really glad you guys are here. Thanks for coming. If I didn't mention I have 2,400 videos, which I probably did. I should also tell you my link tree is right below the video. And on my link tree you will find Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links, Facebook group, Expressionist Art, Studio Gallery Appreciation Group. I really did not intend on filling this all up. But I will be gone shortly, and it is what it is, and it's pretty cool. I love you guys. I want you to take care of each other, take care of yourselves. I'm sorry, I'm totally embroiled in what I'm doing. And I'm thinking that I'm going to take my colors after this is over and use a skewer and add some dots, because I'm really liking what the dots do to the patterns. So anything I haven't told you guys, you'll have to see in another video, because I'm so distracted right now. I just can't even tell you. I mean, it's got to be obvious. So look at the Legallerist on the link tree for fashions made in Montreal that I'm hoping to add some more to soon. Alright, I'm going to dot away for a while, and I've got a really nice container here. My timer hasn't gone off yet. Thank you guys for all the wonderful kind comments and compliments. Really appreciate them. You keep my morale boosted. Thank you so much for all the donations that help keep me painting all this time. Currently there's no monthly drawing, but you might want to check the end screen exhibition video anyway. I do sell my artwork, and if you find something that you're interested in, use my email address. It's below the video. One email address is easpb and the word gallery spelled out at gmail.com. Yeah, I like this a lot better with a lot of dots. I think it's just I'm gonna dot until I run out of paint, and then I'll just find more paint. I'm going to be selective about where I start adding my dots. It's not going to be everywhere all at once. I'm just going to follow my intuition. Yep, dots do it for me. I love you guys. I want you to take care of each other, take care of yourselves. I should have shimmered this at you. If there's any time left at all, I'll try. I kind of doubt that there is, but it might be worth a shot. Oh, we're still here. Oh, that's cool. That is really, really cool. Let's do a shimmer test. Oh. That's fun. Well, I'm still experimenting with the Prizm pour paints, using some of my old favorite methods. I love using the light to see the bubbles. I really do. It makes it so much easier. I actually recommend it. Just don't drop your phone in your painting. I haven't done that yet, knock on wood somebody. And I'll still torch for a second, because sometimes that'll bring a few bubbles